I want us to trade that is a rise and fall market, which is very easy. So welcome to Alright Traders, yeah, and we're using that is the Alright Speedboat. This is the home of profit. If you are not trading on Alright Traders, then that means probably you are not making money. So we have this robot called by the name the Alright Rise. This robot is trading the rise market. We have this other robot by the name the Alright Fall, is trading the fall market. Let's probably trade with this one, yeah. So I'll do a stake of like 55 USD. Increase my stop loss, then my target profit is just 200 USD. I'm actually working with 4 consecutive losses. If you click here, you can actually see the strategies are configured. You really don't need to actually do anything here. So we are actually using that is 2 strategies here. That is the entry pattern and the percentage. Those are the main strategies that we are using. That is the entry point, use entry point pattern, the percentage, and the instant recovery. Yeah, that's of course instant recovery, helping us to recover from the losses just in case we hit on a loss. So then just click run, nothing more needed. The robot will actually do all the other stuffs. Yeah, you really don't mind what's happening here. And let's see what the market has for us. We are actually using our 75 1s, and as we saw, we'll actually the robot is using that is the robot is actually using that is the market pattern and the percentage and instant recovery for market analysis. So when you talk of the percentage, the market should be more than 50%. That is for the last 100 ticks. That's the first condition this robot checks. And just in case you run the robot, it takes so long before it start execution, you can switch the volatilities. First trade executed, which is a win. So the thing is, the only thing you need to learn about this robot, don't run it for long. Yeah. So usione inakupea profit, then you assume like you'll continue trading the whole day. Yeah. So always make sure all the trading principles, discipline, everything applied. Yeah. So it's actually analyzing the market in 2 ways. That is by the use of the percentage and the market pattern. So when it comes to the percentage, that is, for example, in this case, the rise market should be more than 50%. That is for the last 100 ticks. The second condition is now the entry point, which is rise. Then the robot will execute a trade on. That is a fall. Then the robot will execute a trade on rise. And so far, you can actually see we have taken how many trades. That's around 3 trades and just that is 4 trades, which is 3 wins and just 1 loss. So far we have taken 5 trades, 4 wins, and just that is 1 loss. So far so good. Yeah. So something else you also need to understand is that risk management is very much important. Personally, when I'm trading this robot, I normally use what you call the stop after. So after 4 consecutive losses, I'm out of the market. I will refresh, do all the other stuff, take a break a bit, then come back later and try to make a recovery. So currently we only need 1 trade, then we are out of the market. So far so good. Let's hope the next trade will be a win. Yeah, so that we hit our TP instantly. So the problem with most of you guys is that the moment you see something is giving you profit, you decide to overstay in this market, and what happens by the end of the day? You end up on losing. Another problem you guys have is what you call risk. That is the risk management. You find someone like today, there is a guy who sent me a trade. The guy had hit 7 consecutive losses, and you wonder, was this guy really mad? Because 7 consecutive losses, how did you take all those losses? Yeah, that's why personally I normally have like a trade limit. If you don't want to lift fund your account, always have a trade limit. Yeah, personally I normally limit myself to 4 consecutive losses. The moment I hit 4, I'm done. I'm out of the market for that specific session. Now you'll find someone who is trading without a stop loss. Yeah, good, amazing, we have already hit our TP. You'll find someone trading without that is a stop loss, without like there are no limits. So the moment you hit on loss, the robot will continue trading until it blows up the last coin. That's not how you trade, guys. You need to have a limit. like the moment you can lose but not blow and still come back and not fund still fund your that is top up your account and continue trading. So like you can lose, then come back later, trade with the balance and recover everything you lost. Never risk more than 50% of your accounts. So let's see how much we made. We made 223 USD. That's more than that's around 28,000. That's more than enough. And if you check here, we actually trading, that is rise and fall. That is the rise market by the use of 75 1s. If you click here, you can actually see the conditions I gave you. We are actually analyzing the market by the use of the percentage. That is the rise should be more than 50%. That is for the last 100 ticks. Then this is the entry point. Our entry point is fall. Then we get on a rise. If the market falls 3 times consistently, then we get on that is a rise. If you check here, we also have this option for instant recovery. If you see instant recovery, have set it to 1. So what this means, the moment we hit on a loss, if I can explain probably in details. So the moment we hit on a loss, that's a loss, yeah. So what this robot happens, we have activated, that is 1 instant recovery. Like for example, we have hit on our first loss, yeah, that is 1. Then this robot will proceed to making instant recovery without checking the market condition. So in case the second trade results in a loss, the robot now will get back into the market and try to analyze the market and get new entries. So like the only trade that will happen instantly is the second one. In case we lose this one, it will go to the third trade, yeah. But now this one, the robot has to analyze the market again, make sure it gets fresh entries. In case it's a loss, it will proceed making what you call an instant recovery on the fourth one. Now in case you don't win on this, of course you can stop your bot, or in case you have already set up your stop loss, you're gonna hit your stop loss. So never take more than 4 losses. Just take these this is what I normally set my robot consecutive losses to 4. The moment I hit those 4, I know I'm done. So don't trade without a stop loss, otherwise you might live to fund your account. Goodbye.